A few days ago, I have posted one video regarding I failed Goethe B1 exam. After that, I decided to start my German journey again. Whatever mistake that I have made earlier, these mistakes I will avoid this time and I will try to learn many new things. Hello, my name is Alisha. I am from India. I am also a German learning student. So basically, I started my German journey. So already I have cleared B1 lesson and special exam. So mine is only Hören and Schreiben exam is pending. So this year I'm planning to give that exam. So mine is only Hören and Schreiben exam is pending. So this year I'm planning to give that exam. So for that, whatever study materials I have, that I'm gonna share with you all today. I'm not a full-time student, so I'm a working professional, able to manage only 30 minutes a day, that too on some days. Still, I'm telling this to myself that I have to be consistent. Consistency makes the progress. My motivation or my thing, as I said in my last video, your why should be clear. So now my why is clear. I know my why I'm learning German. So this time I'm fully prepared. So I am not very good in German or not a good trainer or anything. I don't have any support, any classes, anything. Still, I'm starting this thing to learn German by myself. Whatever knowledge I have to clear this B1 level. So for that, I have to clear Hören and Schreiben exam. For that, I have whatever study material I have to utilize it. I have to make myself good enough. As I told you, I'm starting my German learning journey again. So for that, whatever study material I'm using currently, that I'm gonna share with you. So first thing is, on the Goethe website, you will get the vocabulary for A1, A2, B1, B2, whatever level you are in. You will get a full PDF of vocabulary in that Goethe website. You can visit to goethe.de or Goethe website, goethe.com. You will get all the vocabulary PDFs there. Plus, on the Goethe website, you will get model test paper. Two model test paper you will get for each level. You can resolve that paper and you can check whether you are able to do or not. Next thing is that for vocabulary, I'm using that all the vocabularies from Goethe website level wise. And one more thing is that I have these two books with me. This is the one. This one is second book, Zertifikat B1 Neu. In this book, you will get 15 question paper, all four modules of 15 question paper, and at the last you will get some few answers as well. So you can check whether you have marked it correct or not. So this is really helpful book. If you don't know the exam pattern, if you don't know the syllabus or anything, if you are a student like me who haven't joined any classes and you don't know anything, so this book will help you out to understand the paper pattern, how the exam will be, how the question will be in every module. Lesson Hören, Sprechen, Schreiben, four modules are covered in this book. You will get 15 question paper, and this is Goethe four model test papers. In that also you can resolve it and practice it. Whatever you wanted to do, it's like a proper exam base. It's like a real. These are the real question paper which have been published earlier, which have been student have used that earlier. So next thing is, you will get all the information on the Goethe website. In Goethe website, there is one thing called Onleihe, German library. You can go to the goethe.de. You have to log in by your password, email ID and password. You have to log in there. You can see Onleihe. It is a free of cost library for you. You can go, you can take the study material and uh, you can study from there. You can read many things from there. So for me at this time, I have to clear Hören and Schreiben. So for Hören, actually, frankly speaking, I don't have more time to study daily. So whatever time I have, I'm going to office by cab, so that will be around a half an hour time I will get in the cab. That time I'm listening them on podcasts, I'm listening in the cab, or sometimes I'm listening the model test papers are there. In this you will get that exam paper will be there for Hören. That exam paper you can go on YouTube, you can search by the book name Goethe Certificate B1 Neu Hören paper 1. If you type like this, you will get all the listening audios you will get there, so you can listen it. So what I'm doing while traveling, whenever I will be free, I will be traveling, I will get some time to listen something, either than listening any other songs. I'm preferring to listen German podcast or German this exam modules. I'm doing this for hearing, just to, because I have a gap of 1 year. In that time period I may forgot many things. That's why for recovering I started listening. Whatever you will listen, the more you will listen, the more you will understand. If you are a beginner, you will not understand anything, that's completely fine. You have to listen whatever is there. If you either you understand or not understand, you have to listen. After listening, your brain will be rewired, your brain will get a signal that you are learning, your the words will be repeated. It's Schreiben. For Schreiben I have to prepare for formal email, informal email, and meine Meinung. So meine Meinung is my opinion. So for writing a, for that framing a sentence, currently I'm studying grammar. I'm studying some few grammar points that will help me out how to frame a perfect sentence. In B1 level, there are some grammar points like connectors are there. Many other new things are there than A1 and A2. You have to combine all the things and you have to frame a correct, grammatically correct sentence. For that, I'm studying grammar. For writing, I heard this somewhere in the one of two videos that what you have to do, and that I'm following too. You have to write your daily schedule in German. At the end of day, you have to take 10 minutes to write the diary of yourself in German. What you have done, you got up in the morning, next what you did, what you finished, whatever work you have done, whatever things in a day we will do many things. So at the end of day, you have to write all these things in German. Because of that, your brain will get a signal that you are writing in German, and the information will store for longer time in your brain. So it will help you out to learn a language, because it's a language. You have to be connected with the language in every possible way, by listening, writing, speaking, everything. We have to only we will be able to learn a language. I may not perfect at this moment, but I am trying to do each and everything. I'm trying to learn. As a learner, I'm trying to learn many things. I'm not a professional, I'm not a teacher or trainer. I don't know anything in German. Still, I want to continue this journey and I want to achieve my B1 B level. I want to complete my B level. That's my commitment, and my why is clear why I want to learn German. So this is my journey. I'm sharing with you. Whatever mistakes I will make, you can correct me in the comment section. I will take it seriously. And if you have any question for me, you can also ask to me, and I will share my progress through my videos. I'm sharing these videos because there may be more people like me who also wants to know. Even are sharing only a good part. No one is talking about the bad part or mistakes, whatever. As a beginner, as a normal learner, whatever problems you are facing, no one is talking about that. So this is my journey. Whatever I have learned, whatever mistakes I have done, whatever things I'm gonna do, all those things I'm gonna share with you all. So subscribe my channel and be with me in this journey. Soon I will clear the exam and share you all the feedbacks, whatever it is. It will be good or bad, whatever things are there, I'm gonna share it with you all. Thank you. Bye.